Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. My name is Tabara. I am the founder of Basketry, which celebrates all things baskets and basket weaving. This video is my craft therapy with Tadan, and today we're going to make a basket in the style of this little beauty using leftover fabric, old tea towels, an old t-shirt. It's a really fun project to do, and I think we should get started. Here are the materials you will require. Some leftover fabric or some old tea towels, a pair of scissors, a piece of rope that's going to act as the core of your basket. I have 3 meters of hemp rope and some cotton rope. And last but not least, you will require a needle, a long eye needle. Mine is bent at the tip, but this is not required for the project we're doing today. We are going to start by cutting out our leftover fabric or tea towel into long strips. Fold the fabric into 2 with the fold at the bottom. Cut equal strips using the lines on the fabric. Make sure you stop before you reach the top. And you're just going to repeat. Take the top layer and cut 1 strip of fabric. Continuing with the same layer, skip 1 and cut 1 strip. And repeat until you've done the whole first layer. You're then going to take the bottom layer, and instead of doing single strips, I'm doing double strips. So 2 strips, cut. 2 strips, cut. To start my basket, length of my fabric. Thread the needle at one end of your piece of fabric. Grab the other end of your fabric and the cotton rope and wrap the fabric 6 times along the rope. Fold the rope and secure both sides at the base by wrapping the fabric twice. Grab your needle and poke in the center. You are then going to start to coil the rope into a circle by wrapping the fabric along the rope 5 times and poking again with your needle in the center. Repeat this step until you've done a full round. Once you have a full round, you're going to start poking 1 round below. To add a new length of fabric, you are going to thread your needle at one end of your new piece of fabric and lay the other end at the front of your coil. Wrap the new piece of fabric under and over the rope, making sure to catch the end of your first piece of fabric. You're then going to continue with your 5 wraps and poking through the round below. To start building the sides of your basket, you're going to place the rope on top of the last round. Do your 5 wraps and place the rope on top of the last round and continue. When you're reaching the end of your rope, you want to wrap the fabric until you reach the end of the rope. Fold the rope onto itself to create a loop. Secure the loop by wrapping the fabric in the previous round. Tie a knot at the back, and that should be it. I hope you enjoy this workshop. Here's another look at my little basket. Please leave all your questions, your comments in the box below. Tag a basket friend and I'll be sure to pop back to answer all your questions. Thank you very much. Bye.